Greetings and salutations, my friends. Here we go again. With any luck, this will be the last build day of this exercise. I'm going to just try and blast through it, get as much done as I can, and I will see where we end up, and hopefully tomorrow I'll post just a video of the thing doing its thing. And a note before I start, I'm going to do step 49 out of order because it's a construction step in the middle of the assembly step, or vice versa. Basically it's building the part instead of building the structure. So with that said, I'm probably just going to fast forward through most of this stuff so y'all can see it in super fast time. Here we go. Okay. Now, do a quick test run and see how things work, because that was step 50. Whoa. Oh, that's not a good start. Oh, they are supposed to go on two at a time. All right. Interesting. All right. Like I say, I'll post another video of it actually operating in the morning or tomorrow sometime. Get some more angles on it where you can see it from all sides and how it's working and all the motions. Otherwise, we're done with this project for this part, the building part of it. I've got a new one in mind that I'll unbox tomorrow. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, complain, whatever you want to do with that. I'll see you tomorrow. Y'all have a good night.